Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your inside cabin air filter. You're just gonna pop this thing open. You're gonna push on this side. You're gonna push on this side, and it should just pop out. You can see that right there. Do the same thing to the other side. You can see that right there. You'll need two hands. And it'll just pop right out. Just like that, it'll pop right out. You'll be able to pull it off. And then your filter is right there. And then just pull that out. And voila. Yeah, this one definitely needs to be changed out. Alright, now if you were paying attention, if you're replacing it with this exact same one, this part right here is gonna go down, and you can also see the arrows going down. Why that is because if you look in here, you can see this can't think of the name right now, but you can see that is on the bottom, so the air is coming from out here going down into there. That's why they have the arrow going down. That's why this part goes down. And you can also see that this piece right here, those little things, the edges on the air filter slide under there to hold it in place. But I will be replacing it with a Fram. And let's see, where is it at? Arrow's going down, so this dark blue is gonna be on top, and that white is gonna be at the bottom. And there you have it. Now you just slide it back in. It slides in. Make sure you snap it in there. Make sure you put your department back on. It's gonna be snapping into right there, like so, right there. I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. Make sure you do it on both sides, then you'll be pushing both sides in again, just like you took it off, and you're done.